Hello everyone, my name is Jay Ball and I'm the product manager for solid milling from Seco Tools. I'm really excited today to introduce to you a brand new product from Niágara cutter called the AN230 and the AN335. But before I talk about the product offering, I've got to ask you a question. Have you ever heard of a term called high velocity milling? Well, if you're in the aerospace industry, this term has actually been used for about the past 5 to 10 years for those customers that are machining large aluminum components such as wing spars, wing components, fuselages. And what it is it's a combination of high performance roughing and high speed machining. So we're talking about running 30,000 plus RPMs. Your feed rates are between 300 to 800 plus inches a minute. Your depth of cuts are about 1 times to 1.5 times diameter depth of cut with anywhere from 40 to 50 to 60% radial stepovers. So there's a big issue when it comes to high velocity milling of aluminum, and that's chip evacuation. So what we've done at Niágara Cutter is we've specifically designed custom flute shapes, gashing, polished K-lands, and geometry to eliminate that chip control issue that is very common in high velocity milling. So the product range itself is going to consist of 2 tools, and it's the AN230 and the AN335. It's going to be the 2 flute version, and there's a 3 flute version. They're going to come both with a dead sharp and radius option. You're going to have your common aerospace corner radii, 30, 60, 90 to 120 on all the products. It's actually going to come uncoated as a standard as well. Why is that? What we've seen in the industry is customer preference really determines what coating they want on the tool. So you might want a DLC coating, you might want a titanium diboride coating or a tin coating. So because there's so many different customer needs for the coating, we just decided to have it uncoated as a standard. Now, with high velocity milling, you also have to be mindful of the holders that you're using. So when it comes to holders, you want to use good anti-pullout type holders. So whether it's a shrink fill with anti-pullout, a power milling chuck with anti-pullout, a collar chuck with anti-pullout, anything that's going to help you reduce the amount of pullout or eliminate pullout completely is the product that, or the holder that you've got to use. So again, I'm really excited about this product offering. If you'd like to know more about it, feel free to reach out to our tech team. You can go to the Seco Tools website and check out more information. Even the Niágara Cutter website is going to have information on it. And don't forget about the Solid Milling app, because all the cutting data for this brand new product family is going to be available on the app. So again, my name is Jay Ball and I'm the product manager for Solid Milling. Thanks for watching.